My Workspace. Sage Business Cloud Accounting has a separate working area called the Workspace. These are icons which will quickly link a user to the most important features in the software. You can customize the workspace to only include the functions that you need. Accounting allows you to even rename the headings and the details for each icon. Customize your workspace. You are able to include and remove whichever icons are most relevant to you. You can even drag and drop these icons into different places on the screen. To customize your workspace, click on the Customize button as indicated in the screen. You can rename and add a different description to each icon. By clicking this pencil mark, you can rename and you can drag and drop, you can move. If you want to remove any icon, you can remove. And if you want to add any icon, you can add. After you customize workspace, you can save. If you want to set workspace as a default screen, you can set from administration, my profile, select preference tab, select my workspace as your default dashboard to display. After that, you can save.